What is going on, YouTube? I just picked my bike up from the local dealership around here, Mooresville, North Carolina. I brought it in there because I have a strange, like metallic sounding rattle coming from the front end or like the engine, like straight underneath me. And I took it in, see if they could figure it out. I couldn't figure it out. They had it for a few days and then they said that they couldn't figure it out. But they said the noise is coming from the exhaust, so I'll probably end up changing that eventually. But if you guys have any ideas of what anything else it could be, please go ahead and leave it down in the comments, and I'll go ahead and check it myself. But I kind of hear it right now. I hear it more in tunnels, next to cars, or going through like a bridge. It's usually at around 3,000 RPMs, under like engine braking, or under like if I'm in too low of a gear and I give it some gas and it kind of struggles, it's whenever the engine vibrates more, that's when it sounds like that. Anyway, guys, if you guys have any idea what that noise could be, if you guys have a Yamaha FZ-07 and you've heard this noise and you figured out what the problem is, go ahead and let me know, because it's really bugging me. I mean, I've read on Yamaha forums and other YouTube videos, and I can't figure out anyone finding out what it is. So I do enjoy having this bike back. Oh, I have missed riding it so much. Oh, so hot. It says it's 124 degrees out right now, and I'm in the shade. Oh man, God, that 124. My fans kick on. It's so hot. Just hot air just blowing right on my legs. Ugh. Oh, this is not fun at all. God, I hate traffic. Oh, man. What a hot day it is. Wow. Oh, that is insane. Feels really good whenever I'm moving, though. Who gave you your license? Oh, I love riding my bike, but man, there's so many idiots on the road. Like it's so bad. I don't think you guys really see it on my videos as much because I try to ride from like away from the crowd, because I know what roads people like to take and I try to avoid them a lot, except this way. That's the only way that I gotta go take like the main road. But like for my job that I do, I drive a lot through town, and I drive down to Charlotte, the city, and I just hop on all the interstates and major highways, and it is so bad. The traffic and the people that just do not know how to drive is just ridiculous. I can't even explain. I wish I can just bring a camera with me and just show you guys. Can't do that though. I wish I could. But it's unreal. It's like Snowcat, but times 10. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate your love. This guy's going over the line. I don't know what he's doing. If you guys know my problem with the bike, go ahead and type that down in the comments below. Share this video with your friends. Help me figure it out. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Later.